Huh, I'm bored. What do you think we should do today? I don't know. What do you want to do, RM? That's why I'm asking you. What should we do? Maybe we could play a game or something? Like what? What game do you have in mind? How about you, Jungkook? What do you think? Hairball! You have hairballs? Yeah, I do. In that case, I think I should give you a bucket before you cough one up. Oh, wait. Here. Cough up a hairball in this bucket. Okay. Hairball. Are you okay, Jungkook? Yeah, I'm okay. Okay, well, let's see. Jungkook? Yeah? May I ask, why do you throw up hairballs? Well, I really don't like talking about it, but I don't know if I should tell you. Well, if you're not comfortable with it, I won't ask anymore. I just want to know. 'Cause we're your friends, and we won't do anything. Well, okay. I guess I could trust you guys, but I'm part cat. Part cat? No way! I wish I was a cat! Me too! Me 3! Me 4! How come you never told us, Jungkook? Well, I told you I wasn't really comfortable telling you guys. Well, since you told us, now we know, but don't worry. We're not going to say anything bad about it. That's actually pretty cool, I'm not going to lie. It is? Yeah. Yeah, because the reason why I cough up hairballs is because I lick myself a lot. I overgroom myself too much. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. Uh-oh. Another hairball. Do it in the bucket. Hairball. Wow. I never knew you were a cat, Jungkook. Yeah, whoa. I like being a cat. I wish I was a cat. Yeah, same here. Wonder what it's like to be a cat. What do you do when you act like a cat, Jungkook? Well, you know, I like to lick myself clean, and I like to scratch stuff. Like this right here. You see that? I scratched it. No way. You scratched it? Yeah, I have sharp claws. I want to be a cat. It would be cool to be half human and half cat. That would be so cool. Yeah. I would like to be, scratching stuff too and be playing with cat toys. Wait a minute. it's a little hard to do, but to be cats, we have to act like a cat. You have to do the things that cats do. Like, for example, cats like to lick themselves clean. Like that. Oh. Very good, Jen. Now all of you, I'm going to give you cat lessons, okay? To be part cat like me, you must follow my steps. Number 1 is cats like to lick themselves clean. And now the next step is cats like to scratch stuff like this. Like cats like to scratch things. You guys go ahead and try it. Okay. Wow. Wow, scratching feels nice. And now, if you ever encounter licking yourselves a lot, you might expect a hairball. So what you have to do is cough it up wherever. But that means in the bucket, though. Well, yes, but I'm just telling you. And now, cats like to play with cat toys. So, like this, for example. Like, say this is a cat toy right here. Then you play with it, like, meow, meow, meow. Like that. Wow. Wow, being a cat is actually kind of fun. Yeah, I'm starting to have fun already. Yeah, me too. Oh, you have a hairball. Hairball. There you go. That means you've been grooming yourself too much. Wow. Wow. I might hack up a hairball too. Hairball. Now, here's the next step. When you encounter an opponent, you have to defend yourself by hissing. What's going on? Like this. Whoa! Wow, that's how you defend yourself? Yeah. You guys are weird. Wow, so that's how you do it. Yeah. After Jungkook taught the group how to act like cats. Meow! I'm a cat now. Actually, we're all part cat. We're still human. Now we know how to act like a cat. Yeah. Hairball. Oh, yeah. Hairball. Me too. Hairball. I coughed up a hairball too. I think we all did. That means we groomed ourselves a lot. I mean, hairballs don't feel good though. I mean, that's true. But at least you guys are cats now. Like me. Meow. this. So put your hands up and down like this, like you're kneading it. And then purr at the same time. Like that. Wow! That's called making biscuits, too. Making biscuits? Well, oh no, I have to go poo-poo. Okay, so as cats, we use a litter box. A litter box? How do you use that? Well, a litter box is like a sandbox. So what you do is you dig a hole like this. And then fire away. Are you pooping? Yeah. And then after that, you cover it up like this. Wow, easy stuff. Yeah, that's the same thing when you have to pee too. Oh, okay. Now I can see where this is going. It's fun being a cat. Guys, what's up with all this meowing? Oh, hey, Henri. Jungkook taught us how to be cats. Oh, that's cool. Do you want to be a cat too? No, I'm good. I'd rather just be in emotion. Oh, okay. So there you go, guys. You know everything how to be a cat. Yeah, it's not as easy as it was, but now we know what to do.